Hey everybody, I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. Just wanted to do a very quick video to show you how to get your tickets for the Purpose Driven Workshop, okay? So as you can see, I'm on my Facebook page, and all you'll need to do is go to the events page here at the top of the screen where it says tickets available. Click on Find Tickets. When you click on Find Tickets, it's going to bring you to my website here, natasharochelle.com's workshop. You can tell you're on the right one because it'll say the workshop's name. Scroll down, and right here where the link is, you would just click on the link. When you click on that link, it's going to automatically take you to the registration page. Enter your information. It's going to ask you, to confirm that you're a human and not a robot. Then once you confirm that, you'll receive the information that'll say subscription confirmed. Then wait a couple of minutes and you're going to receive an email that is saying that Walking with Purpose subscription is confirmed. So this is your ticket, all right? Once you register, that means I have you down. I will be contacting you and sending you the link and more information on how to join me for the workshop. Also, if you haven't learned by now, everyone that registers also receives a bonus training for free that you can look at right away, okay? It's a 31-minute training about how to stay connected to a millionaire mindset, which is actually perfect because it's going to lead right into our session in a couple of weeks. So anyway, thank you so very much. I appreciate those that are registering. I appreciate those that are sharing. I appreciate those that are even looking at this video and haven't done any of the above. I appreciate you just the same. You guys keep rocking. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk to you guys later.